What up, YouTube? This is Geo Stealth R1, and usually I don't come across and start getting RCs during the summer seasons. But realistically speaking, you guys well may know during the summer times I'm riding my street bike or whatever, my cruiser. But now we ended up getting this. This is the Mini LMT from Losi, and this is called the Zombie. Really nicely set up. I'll give you the side view on this. It comes with the RC itself. It comes with the remote control, batteries for the remote control, batteries for the car, USB charger. Look at the back. The heads up of it tells you it comes with a 25 turn motor, which is what is it, 380 brush motor. There we go. Pretty interesting on these arms on how they ended up doing it. There's a nice little thing that realistically speaking you should read because it will give you a heads up of what you are getting. Price point on this was around 299, $300 without pay tax. It all depends if your hobby shop is taking cash or whatever. But yeah, let's crack this bad boy open and see what's going on. Alrighty, so here we go. Wow, very impressive. So let's start off with the controller. You're gonna get the same type of controller that you had beforehand with the other Monster Jam vehicles. As you can see, I got the Gravedigger, the Megalodon, and the Son of a Digger over there. You have your booklet over here, which comes with its own stuff. It's so weird on how they make the hair out of it, zombie. You do have your charger ports over there. It does have a binding over there. What else? What? You got a little tool over here. I'm quite surprised they gave you that tool. That will go back in the box. And then also I have my USB charger, which I'm not going to need anyway. But yeah, here is, wow, they did the body really nasty. Look at that thing. I'm talking about, look, you actually feel, I mean, it is cloth. It is cotton. I guess I'm going to say it's cotton. And then they put this over here. I mean, man, a little Monster Jam emblem over there. It does have the updated links as opposed to the older style links that are on the Son of a Digger and that initially came off with the Grave Digger. Uh, it should just have. Okay, let me take this thing apart and show you the internal components. Alrighty, so I ended up taking off the body, which has a clip here, clip in the front, clip in the rear, and a clip on the side as well. But this will pretty much be the standard if other guys are like the way it mounts, and other guys are trying to put other monster truck bodies on this. I'm not too sure what's really out there. I know a lot of guys are doing 3D printing, but yeah, same type of scenario. It's all murdered out. It would have been cool if this came in maybe red, or maybe I'll have to upgrade it in red or black. But yeah, no, this is definitely awesome. I'm glad that I got this updated updated version of the Mini LMT. It's pretty much the same setup that the Megalodon came in there. If you guys haven't seen it beforehand, it looks pretty awesome. Um, I think this is a fun purchase. I do want to update the servo on this because I think this actually is going to be bashing. Oh, I'm going to have to start bashing all of them in the backyard. The Gravedigger I ended up playing with a little bit, wash that up. Son of a Digger, I have not played with the Megalodon yet. So I definitely want to, start playing with the Megalodon and this zombie. Tell me what your thoughts. Tell me if you feel like Losi is pretty much doing really well. I mean, I'm telling you, the body is off the hook. I mean, I thought the Megalodon body was pretty great, but this, from what I understand, people are doing a lot of endos to where this thing is pretty much doing push-ups. So that's going to be pretty awesome. Anyway, give me your feedback. Rate, comment, subscribe to One Plus Up on YouTube. Later.